guide, I'm going to show you how you can do emotes and change them here in Fall Guys. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, let's just check your emote controls. From the main menu, hit the options button and go to wireless controller or keyboard, depending on what you're on, and just scroll down to your keybind settings and look for the open emote wheel option and just see what it is for you. Now, by default, you can open up the emote wheel by hitting left bumper, and then emotes are assigned to the D-pad themselves. It's just going to be up, down, left, right. If you're on, controller, on keyboard and mouse, it might be a little bit different. And you could change these to really any button that you'd prefer, so just keep that in mind. From here though, go ahead and back out, and what you're going to want to do is go back to the main menu and then go to this coat little hanger icon right here, go to theatrics, and this is going to be where your emotes and celebrations are stored. So in here, you can see your currently equipped emotes, you can see which one is assigned to a specific thing, and to change one, you could just select it and move it to a different slot on the emote wheel itself. But whenever you're in a match, all you got to do is press the assigned D-pad button and your character will perform the emote instantly, or hit something like left bumper and choose whatever emote you want to do. It really is as simple as that. If this video guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.